Let us now help you download your AI toolkit and workflow templates. Ever start a course, feel motivated, but then get stuck when it's time to actually do the work? You understand the theory, you watch the walkthroughs, but when it's your turn to build something, you are staring at a blank screen. The problem? Most people don't need more information. They need tools, templates, and shortcuts to help them implement fast and see quick wins. That's why we have done the heavy lifting for you. This course comes with a ready to use AI toolkit that includes high converting prompt templates, workflow automations, SOPs, checklists for setup and testing, AI powered outreach and onboarding scripts, and more. The opportunity? Instead of spending hours building from scratch, you can plug in our templates, customize a little, and launch faster, even if you are a beginner. So here is how to use the AI toolkit and workflow templates. Download everything first. Find the resources section in the lesson. Grab the zip folder or Google Drive link. You'll find an AI prompt library by category, pre-built workflow diagrams, GHL snapshots for easy import into your account, and SOP documents for each use case. Step 2, you organize your workspace. You create a folder on your desktop for Google Drive, label it My AI Employee. Everything you create will live here. Step 3, keep these open while learning. You'll use these templates throughout the course. Every time we teach a new automation or AI workflow, you will be directed to open a specific file or template. Now this turns every lesson from theory to execution. Success does not come from watching, it comes from doing. And your AI toolkit is your shortcut to success in this course. Don't wait until the end to download it. Grab it now, unzip it, and explore it. And then ask yourself, what's one task I want to automate this week using these templates? Pick that one and follow along step by step in the upcoming lessons. And in case you do not find the toolkit in the resources section, join us in the community link that we have and let us know that you haven't received the resources, and I'll share it your way.